friends, today I'm showing you how to make an intro from your Android device. You need to download app called Legend. So I downloaded it earlier, so we'll open it. So type your any type what you want to make intro. I'm typing tech. Tech master. Choose this. You can choose the different types of intros. There's a lot of options here, and you can keep background your photo also. So I keep this. Once you're done, save it. Save as a video. It's pointing your legend. When it says like this, save as a craft. It will help you also. It will take some time to binding your legend. It will take some time. Some can say it will take some time. You can save it. You can say that. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.